Hi everyone, I'm Shohini and I am back with another video today. So today I'm going to talk about something which most of us, are confused about, and which most of us are very picky and, particular, choosy. Today I'm going to talk about the things that we must or we should try to remember regarding our first date. Okay, the first thing is we are going on a date. The person we are going out with is definitely, very close to us. We have already liked the person enough. We might have a crush on the person, or if you are a hopeless romantic like me, you might as well fall in love with that person before going on a date. Yeah, it's something which might happen anyway. So, we are going to meet a person whom we already like a lot. So, the first thing we have to remember is to focus on the person no matter what. So, let us not overdo anything. Let us not overdo our, what dress we are wearing, or what makeup we are putting on, or what kind of jewelry we are going to pick. Be very informal, as well as, wear something or carry yourself in a way which makes you feel very confident. Okay? Don't get into too much of formal etiquettes and formal dressing. That doesn't really work out on a first date. Next, choose a place which is very easy and, increase your comfort level with each other. Not a fine dine where, certain manners and etiquettes need to be maintained. Go for a cozy coffee joint, or go for a very casual cafe where you can sit and relax. Let the date be one easy and breezy, thing. Apart from that, engage into conversation. Mind you, I'm saying conversation. I'm not saying that, keep talking. So that the person gets bored. No. You talk and also let the other person talk. Talk about his, childhood, or the things that interest him, the food he likes to eat, the places he likes to visit, anything you want to talk about. But then the conversation is very important, and try to understand the vibe of the person, try to understand, the small details, try looking for them, and try, make it a very enjoyable and fun thing. Alright? And one more thing you must remember is, do not talk about your past relationships or about your exes. If you guys have already spoken about it, if you guys are already comfortable speaking about it, it's fine. But then unnecessarily don't pull it in. If things crop up one after the other and then you suddenly mention about your ex or past relationship, that's fine. Apart from that, don't. The awkwardness increases, and your first date shouldn't be an awkward one. That's why I, was telling you all to get into a very easy and comfortable space. And last but not the least, always remember that you are meeting the person whom you might love in the future, or whom you are already in love with. So focus on the person, and if none of these things are suitable for you, don't follow them. Be yourself, be confident. Remember these two things, happiness and enjoyment. Okay? If you are not happy and if you're not enjoying, the presence of the person you like, there's no point of going out on a date at all. So look for happiness, try to have fun. It helps, any sort of relationship to thrive and, to get nurtured properly. All right? So get going. I know it's lockdown and all, but then virtual dates are also a very happening thing right now. So grab your cup of coffee, put on something very confident, and get going. All right? Love you. Bye bye.